Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a mind map in the MindNode application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the plus sign at the top of the page, and then click on the Start Mind Mapping button. And first, just drag this plus sign to create a mind map. And here you can just start doing and writing ideas, anything you want, and add this white box. If you tap on one of these little signs, that you can further and expand your mind map and just basically write anything you want and create as big of a mind map as you want. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.